This is Computer Tech World. Computer Tech World. Computer Tech World.
ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನೀವಿನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಲು
Subscribe to this channel.
Icon ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲೆಂಜಾಯಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಮೊದಲು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
List of Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel shortcut keys. One. Microsoft Word. Description. Control plus A, select all contents of the page. Control plus B, bold highlighted selection. Control plus C, copy selected text. Control plus X, cut selected text. Control plus P, open the print window. Control plus F, open find box. Control plus I, italic highlighted selection. Control plus K, insert link. Control plus U, underline highlighted selection. Control plus V, paste. Control plus Y, redo the last action performed. Control plus Z, undo last action. Control plus L, aligns the line or selected text to the left of the screen. Control plus E, aligns the line or selected text to the center of the screen. Control plus R, aligns the line or selected text to the right of the screen. Control plus M, indent the paragraph. Control plus Shift plus F, change the font. Control plus Shift plus greater than increase selected font plus 1 pts up to 12 pt and then increases font plus 2 pts. Control plus increase selected font plus 1 pts. Control plus Shift plus less than decrease selected font minus 1 pts if 12 pt or lower, if above 12 decreases font by plus 2 pt. Control plus decrease selected font minus 1 pts. Control plus Shift plus asterisk view or hide non-printing characters. Control plus less than left arrow greater than moves one word to the left. Control plus less than right arrow greater than moves one word to the right. Control plus less than up arrow greater than moves to the beginning of the line or paragraph. Control plus less than down arrow greater than moves to the end of the paragraph. Control plus del deletes word to right of cursor. Control plus backspace deletes word to left of cursor. Control plus end moves the cursor to the end of the document. Control plus home moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. Control plus spacebar reset highlighted text to the default font. Control plus 1 single space lines. Control plus 2 double space lines. Control plus 5 1.5 line spacing. Control plus Alt plus 1 changes text to heading 1. Control plus Alt plus 2 changes text to heading 2. Control plus Alt plus 3 changes text to heading 3. Control plus F1, open the task pane. F1, open help. Alt plus Control plus F2, open new document. Control plus F2, display the print preview. Shift plus F3, change the text in Microsoft Word from upper to lowercase or a capital letter at the beginning of every word. Shift plus insert paste. F4, repeat the last action performed Word 2000 plus. F5, open the find, replace, and go to window in Microsoft Word. Control plus Shift plus F6, opens to another open Microsoft Word document. F7, spell and grammar check selected text and or document. Shift plus F7 runs a thesaurus check on the word. Highlighted. F12, save as. Shift plus F12, save. Control plus Shift plus F12 prints the document. Alt plus Shift plus D, insert the current date. Alt plus Shift plus T, insert the current time. Microsoft Excel shortcut keys. Description. F2, edit the selected cell. F5, go to a specific cell. For example, C6. F7, spell check selected text and or document. F11, create chart. Control plus Shift plus, enter the current time. Page 5 of 20. Control plus, enter the current date. Alt plus Shift plus F1, insert new worksheet. Shift plus F3 open the Excel formula window. Shift plus F5 bring up search box. Control plus A select all contents of the worksheet. Control plus B bold highlighted selection. Control plus I italic highlighted selection. Control plus K insert link. Control plus U underline highlighted selection. Control plus 5 strike through highlighted selection. Control plus P bring up the print dialog box to begin printing. Control plus Z undo last action. Control plus F9 minimize current window. Control plus F10 maximize currently selected window. Control plus F6 switch between open workbooks windows. Control plus page up move between Excel worksheets in the same Excel document. Control plus page down move between Excel worksheets in the same Excel document. Control plus tab move between two or more open Excel files. Alt plus equals create a formula to sum all of the above cells. Control plus insert the value of the above cell into cell currently selected. Control plus shift plus format number in comma format. Control plus shift plus format number in currency format. Control plus shift plus hash format number in date format. Control plus shift plus percent format number in percentage format. Control plus shift plus format number in scientific format. Control plus shift plus format number in time format. Control plus arrow key move to next section of text. Control plus space select entire column. Shift plus space select entire row.